Hey everybody, I wanted to update you on this painting. This is the one that I did with gold and silver as opposed to the yellow and the white. And it turned out way cool. So the other one is sold. There's the other one. I just varnished it. So that one is sold. But this one is still available. So holler if that interests you. Today I am going to do a hairdryer pour similar to the one I did. I did half black, half white, and then the bright colors. And I used the hairdryer, and then I ended up keeping going. And it just ended up this bright, vivid, really awesome painting. But I am going, instead of doing, gosh, maybe I'll still keep it half black and white. It's really hard to know. Or I was going to put the black on in the puddle. Or maybe I'm just going to do all white. You know what? And actually, well, yeah, let's use these. I was going to say, I wasn't sure I had enough to cover this 8 by 10, but I think I do. It's a problem with these little the bottles. I'm like, I knew there was a name for them. Yeah, I'm gonna need more, I think. I could always go back and paint the edges. I'm gonna need some more on top. I want a real smooth area. No bald spots. So these are the pre-mix pouring acrylics. I know I've been using them a lot, but in my hammer smash that I did a couple videos ago, I realized that that they worked with my own white recipe, so that was pretty cool. Alrighty, so let's let's do forest green on the bottom. And I'm actually going to put a little bit more white, see if there's any perfect amount. Then let's do the yellow, neon yellow. And I've got neon pink. And ultramarine blue. And now let's hope that I turn this into something very pretty. I love it. I love it. Wow, that turned out better than I imagined. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm going to take some white paint and touch up these sides. And I've got paint dripping off the sides, which is perfect. I did not tape the bottom of this. This is very important, so listen if you're listening. The painting I did that I talked about before, I taped the bottom, and when I pulled the tape off, part of the painting started to come off with it. So I think it has to do with whatever this rubbery kind of nature is of the pouring acrylic, which I've had the same issue with pouring medium before as well. So I did not tape this time. I'm just going to let the pouring medium settle directly into the canvas with nothing causing an edge, a lip that it can kind of catch on, if that makes sense to you. I hope it does. Oh, that's really cool. So that is why I did not tape this on the bottom. Look at that. Looks like a paw print. Maybe this is my doggy painting. Check it out. Like a doggy galaxy far, far away. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.